Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the visual editor in WordPress. To begin, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and select Posts or Pages from the left-hand menu, then click Add New or choose to edit an existing piece of content. The visual editor, often called the block editor, instantly appears, providing a user-friendly interface for creating and modifying your website content. This intuitive tool helps you focus on your message without complex code, making content creation accessible for everyone. Once inside the editor, you will find numerous tools to shape your text. Simply highlight any text to reveal a floating toolbar, allowing you to instantly make it bold, italic, or even add a hyperlink. Each paragraph is a block, and clicking on a block reveals options to change it into a heading, a bulleted list, or a numbered list. You can easily adjust text alignment to the left, center, or right, giving your content a professional and polished appearance. Adding visual elements is straightforward and significantly enhances reader engagement. Click the plus sign to insert new blocks, selecting image for pictures or video for moving content. You can upload files directly from your device or choose from your existing media library with just one click. To add a link, highlight the text you wish to make clickable, then use the link icon in the toolbar, pasting your desired web address. These features help create rich, interactive content. For more advanced control, examine the right-hand sidebar, which offers block-specific settings to fine-tune appearance and behavior. Here, you can also access document settings to manage categories, tags, and even set a featured image for your content. Always remember to save your work frequently by clicking Save Draft at the top of the screen. When your content is ready, simply hit Publish to make it available to the world, sharing your creation with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.